Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today's dish is something that I grew up having. It's a cracker-crusted venison tenderloin with fried onions. And the kind of fun take on it is we actually use saltine crackers, crush them up, and make a crust for it. So we're using the Carolina Cooker 22-inch high-side discada on their 32-inch discada stand. And so we've got some olive oil. We're going to put about a cup and a half in, and go ahead and start getting this hot. Now, the technique for getting this deer tenderloin ready for this is pretty straightforward. So, salt and pepper, and then we're going to take the tenderloin, dredge it in some all-purpose flour. We're going to dip it in a little bit of buttermilk, and then we're going to kind of pack some of the cracker crust on top of it. Once we get a good layer of the cracker crust on there, it's going to go right into our oil. So the nice thing about the discada is once you get a couple pieces fried, you can kind of slide them up off to the side. That way they'll drain a little bit and still stay hot. So some of these are coming out. We want to go ahead and make us a little bit of room for our onions. Our white onion sliced up right here. We're going to put it right into the oil. All right, these onions are starting to brown up a little bit, and we're going to get them out. It kind of gives that kind of fried shoestring onion flavor to them. Nice, easy dish to do right here, especially if you have to feed a lot of people out at the hunting camp. And it's just reminds me of my childhood. A little bit of hot sauce, perfect. As always, it's great to take wild game in the outdoors, but it's even better to incorporate it into a meal.